Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out from the brand Studio Makeup the Soft Blend Blush that I have here in the shade Sunrise, and I am so excited about this shade. I love a more bronzy toned blush. After trying out so many blushes, I mean today is day 1310 of trying a new makeup product every day. I have tried out many blushes in that time, and I just find that the shade that surprisingly suits me the best is a more bronzy toned blush. Not the like bubblegum pink very much or the purpley tones, because I just find those are too similar to the natural redness in my cheeks. But adding like a warm bronzy blush to my cheeks, I just find the most flattering. And this shade looks like it's going to give me that. Plus, this also looks like it has a little sparkle to it. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to look. This actually comes in a bunch of different shades though. And I do want to give a disclaimer that this was sent to me for free by Studio Makeup, but this is not a sponsored video. This blush actually retails for $17, which I do find expensive for a blush, especially because there are so many amazing, even $1 blushes out there. But this claims to be silky smooth and glide on to add long-wearing, natural-looking color and contour to your makeup. Before I apply it to my face, I want to go ahead and do a swatch, and I am noticing that the texture doesn't feel super soft. It definitely is kind of like a chalky, hard texture. Oh, but that has some good pigment to it. A really pretty shade, peachy pink shade. And the sparkle to it is definitely like a bigger, more noticeable shimmer that I hope will look good once I apply to my cheeks and not look too like sparse random pieces of glitter. Well, we're gonna go ahead and find out. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Farrah 160F face brush. I really love this for blush. And I'm just gonna try and start out with a little bit at first because I did see that this has some pretty good pigment to it. Oh yeah, like that's probably all I need to get that flush of color that I'm looking for. And it really is a pretty shade. It's more of a peachy pink than the bronzy blushes that I tend to go for, but I still do like this color, but I think I could go a little bit more bronze than this to look the most flattering on me, but this is still pretty. It still looks like a pretty flush of color. And you know, it actually doesn't look sparkly on the skin. It looks pretty much matte, but looks natural. It's not like I'm noticing any powder texture, but I'm also not noticing any of that glitter. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other side. I think this is going to be really quick and easy, especially because it is nicely pigmented. Not way too pigmented that it's hard to work with, hard to blend out, and like easy to go overboard, but really I only need like this one layer, one quick swipe of the brush to get the flush of color that I want. And then I like to take my blush over the nose as well and kind of connect it. But ooh, very pretty, very natural. I like this. This is definitely a blush that I will reach for. Quickly and easily apply. I kind of wish it did have a little bit more sparkle or glow to it, but like you really can't see any sparkle. So you can see it in the pan, but that's about it. So all in all, I think this is a perfectly good blush. It's not like blowing me away, super exciting, unique, anything like that. It's just a classic, nice blush. But for $17, I don't get it. I can't get behind that price on a blush like this. The packaging isn't even anything special. Like there are way better blushes for way cheaper than this that I personally would recommend to you instead. I do not feel like you have to spend $17 on this, but it's not a bad blush. Since I have it, I do like it and I will wear it. So if you've tried this out, definitely I'm very curious to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But also let me know what your favorite blushes are, especially your favorite inexpensive blushes. I definitely think blush is one type of makeup product that I can never see myself spending much money on, because you can get like every single shade of blush you could ever want, every single finish, matte, shimmery, glowy blush for $1. Like Shop Miss A has amazing blushes. So that's just my personal opinion on it, so I'd love to hear what your favorites are. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.